Hello, beautiful family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching this video from. Guys, I need help. I need a very big help. I know I cannot do this alone. I cannot do this alone. And the help that I need should come to every one of you who watches my videos, to everyone who loves my content, to everyone who always come to this channel and check out new videos. Please guys, like I told you to say, 2025 is a year where we are going to upgrade, improve our channel. We're going to improve the content that we post here. Now, how are we going to improve the content if we don't buy the rightful gadgets? So we need gadgets that will make us achieve whatsoever goals that we want to achieve. So in this case, I need help. I need donations from you guys. I need donations from you. You know, all those videos that you've been seeing on this channel, those videos are not from the camera. Maybe you think maybe I have a common what, I have Sony what. No. Those videos comes from the common 20 phone, Android phone that I have. All those videos that you've seen recently and the videos that I was doing last year comes from this phone called Techno Common 20. Now, we want to improve the content, we want to improve the quality of the videos. That's why I'm saying this. Please donate anything. Anything will make a difference. Anything, please. The numbers where you can donate in the comment section and in the description, I'll put one. Or just use the same number that you're seeing on this screen, please. And my name's Timothy Hara. So we need to improve the quality of our videos. We don't just need to be on the same level each and every year. So I know, guys, you cannot fail. Please, I've been working so hard. I've been trying so hard to show you the Zambia that you don't know. And this has really get into my vein. Like, I really want to travel around Zambia. I really want to show you the beauty of my country or the beauty of this country, Zambia. But the gadgets that we need is the gadget that we need is DJI Osmo Action 5 or the latest 6 and or GoPro 13 or the latest 14. So these are the gadgets that I really want. If we are going to have one of these, then we are good to go. So please lend your help here. We need you to help. We need you to achieve these goals together. Anything that you're going to contribute will make a difference. Anything, guys. Anything will make a difference. So please, I really need help from you. And I'm just choosing where to pass because there is a lot of mud you can see. I'm passing. A lot of mud, lot of water all over. So, guys, and let me say thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for the help that you've given me. Thank you so much for the likes, the comments, and I really still need you more comments from you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for all the donations that you're going to make and the donation that you've made. I just want to say thank you. This is the help that I really, wanted. You see? This is the help that I really needed. This is what I wanted to say, guys. This is what I wanted to say. I cannot do this alone. Please, let's do this together. And you mean the world to me. A lot of you have been helping me, pushing me. And I just want to say thank you to Uncle Patrick from USA, the one who sent me to Ghanaton. That was an amazing experience. And at first, I didn't understand the way to go, but everything made sense after I reached that side. So I just want to say thank you so much. May God bless you, Uncle Patrick. And thank you so much to the unknown auntie. Thank you so much, auntie. You've been a blessing. Since the channel started, like we started doing this kind of content, you've been there for me. Thank you so much. May God literally bless you guys. I think I've passed out my message to you guys. Thank you. I'm out.